Welcome to English Practice Every Day. In this video, we will continue our practice of consonant-consonant connection of words where we omit sounds ed and t. Please go through practice 14 before you continue with this practice to get the most out of this practice session. We will continue a bit faster in this practice. Please repeat after me. Omitted ed. Moved Delhi would be move Delhi, move Delhi, move Delhi. Moved many would be move many, move many, move many. Arrived today would be arrive today, arrive today, arrive today. Received gifts would be receive gifts, receive gifts, receive gifts. Loved children would be love children, love children, love children. Observed very would be observe very, observe very, observe very. Believed firmly would be believe firmly, believe firmly, believe firmly. Behaved badly would be behave badly, behave badly, behave badly. Believed people would be believe people, believe people, believe people. Improved things would be improve things, improve things, improve things. Omitted t. First job would be first job, first job, first job. Fast bus would be fast bus, fast bus, fast bus. Last game would be last game, last game, last game. Last visitor would be last visitor, last visitor, last visitor. Best coach would be best coach, best coach, best coach. Last person would be last person, last person, last person. Must follow would be must follow, must follow, must follow. Almost totally would be almost totally, almost totally, almost totally. Most changes would be most changes, most changes, most changes. Eldest daughter would be eldest daughter, eldest daughter, eldest daughter. Omitted ed. Lived long would be live long, live long, live long. Solved there would be solved there, solved there, solved there. Arrived late would be arrive late, arrive late, arrive late. Moved with would be move with, move with, move with. Saved some would be save some, save some, save some. Loved rabbits would be love rabbits, love rabbits, love rabbits. Loved hunting would be love hunting, love hunting, love hunting. Saved money would be save money, save money, save money. Received your would be receive your, receive your, receive your. Curved sharply would be curve sharply, curve sharply, curve sharply. Omitted t. East wind would be east wind, east wind, east wind. Best show would be best show, best show, best show. Cost nearly would be cost nearly, cost nearly, cost nearly. Lowest rent would be lowest rent, lowest rent, lowest rent. Biggest zoo would be biggest zoo, biggest zoo, biggest zoo. Against you would be against you, against you, against you. Want people would be want people, want people, want people. Modest lady would be modest lady, modest lady, modest lady. Cheapest metal would be cheapest metal, cheapest metal, cheapest metal. Violent behavior would be violent behavior, violent behavior, violent behavior. Omitted ed. Blessed the would be bless the, bless the, bless the. Soothe there would be soothe there, soothe there, soothe there. Breathe with would be breathe with, breathe with, breathe with. Practiced hard would be practice hard, practice hard, practice hard. Replaced some would be replace some, replace some, replace some. Abused people would be abuse people, abuse people, abuse people. Breathe down would be breathe down, breathe down, breathe down. Smooth both would be smooth both, smooth both, smooth both. Smooth your would be smooth your, smooth your, smooth your. Expressed wish would be express wish, express wish, express wish. Omitted t. Belt just would be bell just, bell just, bell just. Smelt very would be smell very, smell very, smell very. Melt things would be melt things, melt things, melt things. Insult them would be insult them, insult them, insult them. Smelt good would be smell good, smell good, smell good. Guilt cannot would be guilt cannot, guilt cannot, guilt cannot. Inbuilt feeling will be inbuilt feeling, inbuilt feeling, inbuilt feeling. Result showed would be result showed, result showed, result showed. Result seemed would be result seemed, result seemed, result seemed. Result cheered would be result cheered, result cheered, result cheered. Omitted ed. Used to would be used to, used to, used to. Praised just would be praise just, praise just, praise just. Closed door would be closed door, closed door, closed door. Praised God would be praise God, praise God, praise God. Amazed very would be amaze very, amaze very, amaze very. Caused things would be cost things, cost things, cost things. Apologized for would be apologize for, apologize for, apologize for. Caused several would be cause several, cause several, cause several. Amused children would be amused children, amused children, amused children. Caused confusion would be cause confusion, cause confusion, cause confusion. Omitted t. Paint did would be pen did, pain did, pen did. Faint sounds would be faint sounds, faint sounds, faint sounds. Decent judge would be decent judge, decent judge, decent judge. Excellent form would be excellent form, excellent form, excellent form. Joint committee would be joint committee, joint committee, joint committee. Recent changes would be recent changes, recent changes, recent changes. Represent those would be represent those, represent those, represent those. Student showed would be student showed, student showed, student showed. Important things would be important things, important things, important things. Represent people would be represent people, represent people, represent people. Omitted ed. Roused you would be rouse you, rouse you, rouse you. Excused my would be excuse my, excuse my, excuse my. Pleased lots would be please lots, please lots, please lots. Pushed back would be push back, push back, push back. Realized what would be realize what, realize what, realize what. Disclosed half would be disclose half, disclose half, disclose half. Caused nearly would be cause nearly, cause nearly, cause nearly. Finished painting would be finish painting, finish painting, finish painting. Classed together would be class together, clash together, clash together. Advertised regularly would be advertise regularly, advertise regularly, advertise regularly. Omitted t. Built to would be build to, build to, build to. Bolt does would be bold does, bold does, bold does. Faint hope would be faint hope, faint hope, faint hope. Instant relief would be instant relief, instant relief, instant relief. Fault became would be fall became, fall became, fall became. Occult powers would be occult powers, occult powers, occult powers. Excellent meal would be excellent meal, excellent meal, excellent meal. Constant worry would be constant worry, constant worry, constant worry. Innocent nature would be innocent nature, innocent nature, innocent nature. Decent language would be decent language, decent language, decent language. Omitted ed. Dashed for would be dash for, dash for, dash for. Cashed the would be cash the, cash the, cash the. Finished just would be finish just, finish just, finish just. Finished half would be finish half, finish half, finish half. Pushed thick would be push thick, push thick, push thick. Published daily would be published daily, published daily, published daily. Finished shaving would be finish shaving, finish shaving, finish shaving. Punished cheats would be punish cheats, punish cheats, punish cheats. Distinguished visitor would be distinguished visitor, distinguished visitor, distinguished visitor. Distinguished guests would be distinguished guests, distinguished guests, distinguished guests. Omitted ed. Seemed to would be seem to, seem to, seem to. Finished late would be finish late, finish late, finish late. Polished well would be polish well, polish well, polish well. Brushed your would be brush your, brush your, brush your. Calmed down would be calm down, calm down, calm down. Published new would be publish new, publish new, publish new. Seemed better would be seem better, seem better, seem better. Astonished me would be astonish me, astonish me, astonish me. Furnished room would be furnished room, furnish room, furnish room. Seemed peculiar would be seem peculiar, seem peculiar, seem peculiar. Omitted ed. Named just would be name just, name just, name just. Performed so would be perform so, perform so, perform so. Seemed good would be seem good, seem good, seem good. Informed them would be inform them, inform them, inform them. Seemed shaky would be seem shaky, seem shaky, seem shaky. Presumed very would be presume very, presume very, presume very. Assumed things would be assume things, assume things, assume things. Seemed familiar would be seem familiar, seem familiar, seem familiar. Seemed cheerful would be seem cheerful, seem cheerful, seem cheerful. Assumed correctly would be assume correctly, assume correctly, assume correctly. That's all for this session. Please continue practicing with patience and discipline. And bye for now.